Hey guys, this has to be one of the most special videos we've ever created as we gear up to take you through Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood's real working Hollywood set. This was a 3-hour visit where you get to see for yourself what goes on behind the cameras and onto their sets, outdoor sets, and sound stages. We started our tour from the DC universe where we witnessed authentic costumes, movie props, and set design elements from hit DC universe exhibits like Wonder Woman, Superman, and Batman. Hey guys, so you guys already saw that we covered DC, all the characters here, and now we're headed to see Harry Potter, which is right now, one crowd. Welcome to the Wizarding World, guys, of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts exhibit. You'll see detailed costumes from Fantastic Beasts in all the famous Harry Potter films. I absolutely love the set designs from these movies. How could we go without experiencing the Sorting Hat from the Harry Potter universe?
Noble and brave and strong combination. Can only be Gryffindor!
Stage 48 is known as Script to Screen, and this is where you will get to see how Hollywood films and TV shows are brought to life. From screenwriting to casting, audio mixing to the awards, direction and production process, the magic of filmmaking will be unfolded here in How. In production soundstage department, you'll see the set of the super hit TV show Friends, where you also get a chance to record a real screen test and recreate scenes from the unforgettable show. This was a true paradise for me as I am a Friends fan for life. Hey guys, so as you can already see, I'm on this iconic couch from Friends, and this is at the Center Park studio right here in Warner Brothers Studio Hollywood, and I'm super excited to be here. You guys will see through the vlog in the article, and I hope you guys enjoy as much as we did here. They also have a special classic store which takes you back in time and into the world and stories of legendary stars, focusing on the studio's origin to the 1970s. If you too believe in the magic of filmmaking, then your California trip is truly incomplete without a visit to the studio tour. Our LA trip wouldn't ever be the same without visiting Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood, which is in Burbank in LA. I also got to learn the art of filmmaking, and it is pure magic. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as we did shooting for you all.